In 2026, executive success isn't just hard work. It requires aggressive preservation of your finite mental energy to avoid decision fatigue. Invisible friction grows as constant pings, micro-distractions, and unresolved tasks, known as the Zeigarnik effect, steal precious cognitive energy all day.
Our cognitive leak audit maps daily decision volume and isolates low-value choices that silently deplete your critical mental resources.
Switching between deep strategy and trivial tasks costs over 20 minutes of regained focus, while digital triggers spike your cognitive
Load instantly. Filtering frameworks, including AI-assisted synthesis, automatically sort and block non-essential information to preserve your mental clarity and focus.
Setting personal no-go zones blocks decisions outside your core genius, saving mental energy for truly impactful leadership tasks. Architect your deep work fortress. Distraction-free blocks aligned with biological prime hours optimize your peak mental performance daily.
Automated workflows and delegated systems handle recurring micro-decisions, freeing your executive bandwidth for strategic thinking.
Recovery protocols flush cognitive buildup and reset your mental bandwidth, transforming exhaustion into sustainable, high-impact leadership. By mastering your cognitive load, you achieve precise, high-impact leadership that outperforms reactive firefighting for lasting success.